We are now at the Gaylord Opryland Hotel, which is just kind of, we've left the downtown area and we're just outside of, kind of on the outskirts of Nashville. This is a massive, massive property and hotel. It has 2,888 rooms at an average price of about $200 a night. But we're going to take you around, and there's just unbelievable.
Impressive, very impressive.
Oh man, you'll see what we have. Okay, we are in the Cascades Indoor Garden. It is just incredible. They've got a roof all enclosed in here, and it's amazing. Just all the way over to the waterfalls restaurant. The Falls Bar is what this is. And again, this is all enclosed indoors and it's air conditioned, believe it or not, which it is stinking hot outside, so we're happy to be here. Okay, so now we're at the Magnolia Garden, which is separate from the other one. As you can see, it's just amazing. Again, we're at another garden, the Atrium Garden. Again, all this is air conditioned, which blows my mind. And then that thing there is the Library Steakhouse. Okay, we're sold. We are so staying here tonight.
Can't afford it.
After sweating our butts off in that van last night, I'll tell you, man, whew, it is hot out there. But this is part of the convention center, just a hallway, just a mere speck of what there is. Whew, okay, after the tour of the hotel, it is 100 degrees in the shade, and we had two choices. We either stay in the van and watch each other dehydrate very quickly and possibly suffer permanent loss of life, or we thought we'd get our bathing suits and we walk in the hotel like we own the place and go to the pool and see if we get lucky. Anyhow, wish us luck. Okay, we're in. I'm sorry, but sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures, and that was absolutely one of those times. Cheers. you want to say?
It's nice. We've really enjoyed it. And the air conditioning really helps in the last 24 hours, so it's all air conditioned. So yes, I recommend coming here and staying for a night.
We like it so much that we decide we're staying here tonight. I know, thought, no way. But we are in the parking lot.